What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there on this happy Friday? It's always going to be happy Friday, guys, because in some way, form, or fashion, we are getting paid in some of these programs or these platforms out here that we are a part of. All right, I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with another one of my affiliate programs. I remember telling you guys there's 3 programs that I would recommend if I had to start over. This is the 3rd one, okay? All right, we'll talk about it in a second. Here, we'll get into it. All right, if you have not checked out my affiliate programs and you're interested in affiliate marketing and learning how you can earn instant commissions any way you want, anywhere from $100 to $2,000, okay? Simply promoting other people's products. No selling, no chasing people around, any of that stuff. Go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, that way you can see all of them. All right. Well, the one I'm going to show you right here and right now, you can go to the copypastemethod.com. Okay. And that'll take you straight to this specific program that I'm speaking on right here today. All right, so get the $300 a day blueprint. Yes, I want instant payments. Easy, no selling, super fast payments, world-class training. That's why I love affiliate marketing. I fell into it somehow. I was actually, I think it was around 2012-ish. I was in a network marketing MLM program looking to figure out how to promote it online. And you know, when you go online, you fall in the rabbit hole somehow. Okay, and I stumbled into another program, and it just led me to all type of things. And here I am today. And I'm heavy in affiliate marketing because I love that you can be a new person, no experience. You can come out here and promote a product and earn instant commissions. You don't have to wait on the company to send you a check. You don't have to build a team. You're going to get paid from selling that product one time, okay? So, and it's a one-time payment to get started. There's no monthly fee. Instant commissions, okay? And once I was exposed to it, there was no turning back. It was like, no more MLM for me. I don't have to get on these conference calls and chase people and go through my phone and bug people. And I haven't looked back since. All right. So anyway, this is the 3rd program that I like, because this particular program right here is more specific. Okay. You get training on how to market using social media platforms. You get training on how to advertise on Craigslist, okay? And so this is perfect for a new person, or perfect for a person that's on a budget, okay? Because we have 3 training courses, okay? So you can get started for as low as $50. Then we have a $150 course, and then we have a $300 course. If you get the $300 course, you get the other 2 courses there included, okay? So again, this is specific on how to market using social media, where you are actually using what they call attraction marketing, where people come to you. You make a post, you place an ad, and people ask you questions. They're interested in what you have to offer, okay? So this is what I love about these affiliate marketing programs. So anyway, let's get into this one. Let's go. All right, the question is, are you next? Okay, here's why our $300 a day copy and paste blueprint works. The truth is, the simpler the business, the better the results. I agree totally. If you make it simple and duplicatable, anyone can do it. Okay, so allow me to explain. Today, there are tons of opportunities available online. You've got MLMs, drop shipping, forex, crypto, and so many other ways to make money online. The problem is that many business opportunities online are very complicated and rarely produce any real or fast results. Because of this program, it's a winner. Right now, I'm sure you're looking for a business that has certain elements in place so you can reach your income goals. Here are several points I know you're looking for. Number one, you want daily cash flow. We've all been through a lot over the past few years, so being able to receive instant $300 payments on a daily basis is a big win. So anywhere, guys, from $50, $150, or $300 commissions. Okay? Nothing to sneeze at. Number two, you want to make big commissions. The days of earning tiny commissions per referral are over. Earning $300 instant commissions makes it so much easier to create impactful income to take care of you and your family. Absolutely. 300 is nothing to sneeze at. Think about it. You do the numbers. 300. You may say, well, hey, if I could make $3,000 a month extra, you may say, hey, I like my job, it's great, but if I can make $3,000 extra just using a smart device and a Wi-Fi connection, that'd be great. Or there's people that say, hey, $3,000 a month for me would be great without having to go to work. Guess what that means? That's only 10 sales, guys. You need 10 sales. So remember, you paid instantly. So you don't have to wait on a payday. You don't have to wait till Friday till the company cuts a check and do any of that. As soon as the person go to your link, click that buy now button, it's going to go exactly where you want it to go. Whether you want to accept credit cards, debit cards, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, however you want to get paid. Okay, PayPal. The person is going on the other end that's purchasing the training is going to pay you. Instantly go straight to your bank account, right? So if your goal is, hey, I just need to make 10 a month, that's $3,000 a month. Okay. So anyway, no guarantees. I can't tell you, promise you what you're going to make because I don't know your worth ethics. You got to put in the work. Okay. But it's not hard work if you're consistent. All right. So number three, you want a simple but lucrative solution. If you launch another complicated business, you're going to go crazy. Lucky for us, it's easy. It has a simple compensation plan that pays instantly. In addition to that, imagine the types of results you will get using this exact sales page. Cha-ching. All right, guys. So let's get into it and let's check it out. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about these three levels of products here. All right. All right. Let's see. Remember I mentioned there's $50 product, there's a $150 product, and then there's a $300 product. Get in where you fit in. Okay. So let's take a look. For $50, and then the website is $39. Okay. So whichever product you select plus $39, the price did go up. All right. So what are you getting for the $50? You're going to get some ads. It's already pre-written for you. You're going to get winning mindset formula. This is training. Okay, you're going to access this from a smart device, laptop. It can be a tablet. It can be a smartphone. You can really do this all from your smartphone, just with a Wi-Fi connection. The Art of Persuasion, 7-day action plan. You're going to get a plan that's going to tell you step by step, what should I be doing today? You can do this on your lunch break, guys. You can do this after work. You know, so it's not complicated. You just have to be consistent. Okay. So you get your action plan. You get 6-figure closing script. What is that? If somebody asks you a question, they have a script. And most of these questions that people may ask you, you can just look at your script and know how to respond. Because a lot of times people will send you a message or they'll email you, right? So all you gotta do is look at your script and say, well, let's see, how should I answer that? Let me look at my script and shoot them a message back. Okay. Then you have Facebook marketing strategy. You have 30 Facebook groups that you can actually post in. We tell you what to post, when to post, how to post. You have Craigslist marketing strategy. That's another whole nother training in itself. Okay, and then you, of course, you have our Facebook support group for the program. All right, so that's $50 to get you started. And you may say, well, I can go a little bit higher than that. Well, the next plan is $150. Okay, remember, you're going to pay one time for this, and then your $39 for your website. And you're paying for the website because they got to set your buttons up to your specifications on how you want to get paid. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. And they put your picture on it, your phone number, your information. That's why you're paying for the website. Okay? So, you get everything I just mentioned, but instead of 30 Facebook groups you can post in, you get 60 for the $150. All right, you get YouTube Mastery. A lot of people want to learn how to do YouTube. Well, they add YouTube Mastery in the $150 course. They add Instagram Marketing Strategy in the $150 course, where you can post your pictures to show you how to use Instagram. All right, to get people to come to you and ask you, well, hey, well, what is this all about? You also get Creating a Six-Figure Funnel. That's in the $150 training. Now, if you get the $150 training, guess what? You still get the $50 training included. All right, and now you can earn 2 levels of income, $50 commissions and $150. All right, but if you get the 300, that's the one I have, the pro level, I have access to all 3 of these. But not only that, I get more training, so I can make more money, and I get more advanced training. Nothing complicated, it's just that I get more. So whereas you may get in that $150 training 60 Facebook groups and 100 ads, I'm going to get 200, and actually it's more than that. They've added more to this. Okay, so I'm going to get 200 plus ads. I have access to 100 Facebook groups where I can go in there and post my advertising. All right, and then let's see what else is different. I have the 6-figure sales funnel, but I have a 30-day email follow-up series that I can send out to my prospects. I don't have to think about, well, what should I send an email on? I can just go in here and copy what they give me and put my name to it, right? They also have TikTok marketing training. I've used this. This does work. Okay. We have the VIP training live chat. Okay. This is the stuff that's not in the other training. Okay. Live webinar training, the VIP vacation voucher, and hotel and restaurant discounts. Okay. So you get a lot more, and you can make more money. Okay. That's what we want to do. We want to make money. We're here to make money online and keep it simple. Okay. Okay. Now the company is offering you these bonuses. You get these bonuses. Our goal is to give you everything you'll need to get massive results marketing online. That's why they've included these additional bonuses at no cost to you. Each of these bonuses serves as a very specific purpose to help you make more money. Without further ado, here are the bonuses you'll get for free when you get started with the pro level, okay, which is the $300 level, the one that I'm at, okay? So you'll pay $339, right? Special bonuses, number 1, Facebook group friender, okay, automatically add targeted Facebook friends from any Facebook group and send a direct message to each member request at the same time. Bonus number 2, social media planner. Schedule ads to post on autopilot inside your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Okay. Bonus number 3, private Facebook group. You're going to get access to our private Facebook community for exclusive training and support, plus heads up on the latest online income streams. Okay. Bonus number 4 is that free vacation voucher. I read that to you just a second ago. Get a VIP vacation voucher for a relaxed getaway, plus discounts on hotels and restaurants, guys. Okay. Let me see if I can click on this testimony from this person.
Hey, what's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Legonier here, and I just wanted to kick it with you for a few minutes and just tell you why I decided to join Infinity Processing System. Number one, IPSS is the place to be, and the beauty of it is when you bring people in and they're having success too, that just puts the icing on the cake. You know, I don't like the fact that sometimes when you're in other opportunities, it's always one or two, maybe three people that are having success and everyone else is struggling. Here it's different because there's so many of us winning over here, and I'm going to tell you why. Number one, the training is phenomenal. So there's so many strategies back there that are evergreen that you can use and have success. I absolutely love the fact that it's 100% commission. So what does that mean? So what that means is the person that you enroll and they pay for their package, the money goes straight to you. You don't have to worry about a middleman waiting until Friday, payday, Tuesday, whenever the owner decides when payday is. Payday can be every day in this opportunity. Payday can be multiple times a day. So for me, I woke up this morning with a $150 payment. To my surprise, I love that, you know. So you can get paid at any time. Vacation, while you're having dinner, while you're out with the kids, while you're running errands. So for me, I woke up to a $150 payment, and that was amazing this morning. Put a smile on my face.
All right, guys. So if you're interested in checking out this system, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com and get started. You and I are going to have a little chat so I can welcome you aboard. And then I'm going to be offering a special bonus in helping the folks that get started at that pro level, that $300 level. I'm going to help get some traffic over to your website. Okay. So give me a shout out once you get started. Matter of fact, I'm going to be notified when you do, because of course the payment processor is going to let me know that you've paid your $300 or your $50 or your $150, whatever it is where you decided to get started. But the $300 pro is where I'm giving a special bonus. So reach out to me. Let's talk about it. All right, guys. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And before you leave, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day and happy Friday.